ultimate power, maximum durability, perfected ergonomics, no limits. The best marathon motor of all time. Increased armature diameter for up to 50% more torque and unbeatable productivity. 30% more dust protection for longer service life. High-speed cooling for higher overload capacity. Airflow optimized grid for unparalleled dust protection. Reduced body circumference for low fatigue working. New field coil technology with 20% more copper provides 20% more power. Ultimate robustness, ultimate durability. Avoids airflow obstruction by moving air vents to the back of the tool.